Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I got something real special for you. I will tell you how to make at least $10,000 every single month in 2018 or even more than that. So be sure to check it out. Before we get into it though, I want to tell you one thing that I'm going to do right here is I will give 5 people who comment in the comment section below and who are also subscribers to my channel right here and who click the notification bell, whatever you call it. I will give 5 of you guys my brand new video marketing agency course that's a bestseller already. Tons of people signed up. A lot of people have great success with it. One of our test group guys, he actually closed a client for like $5K per month. That was his first client that he actually closed. This is pretty rare, but I will give you this course for free to 5 people. All you have to do is, because the next video, one of my future videos, will be an Ask Michael again. I want you guys to ask me a question, whatever. It can be whatever you want. It can be personal. It can be about success, about business, about whatever. It can be a technical question. I just want you guys to actually put a nice question though, a great nice long question in the comments below, and I will pick 5 people that I will answer these questions for, and I will also give them the video marketing agency course worth $300 for free to these 5 people. So be sure to comment below, ask me a question. You will be featured in my next video, plus you will get the course. So be sure to watch this video right here, right now. Okay guys, $10,000 every single month. First of all, before I tell you how to actually do it, I want to tell you how to not do it. And I can tell you, you will not make $10,000 most likely in 2018 every single month doing stuff like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and all kinds of other crap these other guys are teaching you, okay? You will not make it that way, because what you guys need is a way, a method, a system where you can get people and other businesses to pay you monthly, reoccurring income every single month, where they can pay you every month for a specific service. So that already tells you you need to start a service-based business, right? That's exactly what you gotta do. You can't do drop shipping, you can't do Amazon, you can't do any of this because it just doesn't work for beginners, right? I'm sick and tired of all these guys making these ads showing you how to take a drop shipping store from $0 to $100,000 within 2 weeks. I'm gonna show you how to do this, blah blah blah, and take you on the webinar trying to sell you either some software, some bots, some course, a fucking master class, drop shipping, blah blah blah, whatever. But in reality, the whole drop shipping or all the other business models are basically the same in the end. It's all about traffic and it's about conversion. So you have whatever, like a store or something, you drive traffic to it. Most of the time it won't work because obviously the people who are starting this have no idea how to run ads, and also you can't really learn how to do this because it's a trial and error thing. Most people will fail though because they don't have enough money to do trial and error, so that's why it's basically bullshit anyways, okay? So what you guys can do though is you can start a business right here in 2018 with almost no investment, meaning you don't have to spend any money on ads. You don't have to spend any money setting up anything really. You can start a business, get clients that pay you $1,000 to $2,000 every single month. Like you can literally get your first client, he pays you $1,000. There you have your first $1,000 reoccurring. As I told you, one of our guys in our test group, he made $5,000 with his first client, which is not a usual thing. Usually the first client you will get is like $1,000 to $2,000 or something like this, right? You get the first client, then you already have reoccurring income, right? And normally our guys, they normally get like 5, 6, 7 clients in their first month because it's so easy to do. And if you didn't get it by now, I'm talking about the video marketing agency, right? I'm talking about getting local businesses, and it doesn't even have to be in your town or whatever. It doesn't matter where you live. You can live in India, you can live in Bangladesh, you can live in Italy, you can live in Spain. It doesn't really matter. What we want to do though is we want to focus on the US market in specific niches and industries, right? So for example, I always tell you the example with the plumbers and stuff, right? So you have plumbers, the average plumber is charging around $200 to $400 per service they perform for each and every client, right? So what you can do is you can create a video marketing agency with zero startup cost. You can create your own agency. In the beginning, you don't even need a website, even though I show you in the program and stuff how to create a website and all of this stuff, right? You don't even need a website. You can go out there, approach clients, potential clients, and everyone will make that deal with you because you rank their YouTube videos. You rank YouTube videos for them on the first page of Google and on YouTube. People who are typing in, for example, emergency plumber, whatever, they will find these plumbers that you rank the videos for, call them, and then you can charge them a commission for every sale they make, plus a monthly retainer, right? So that's basically the business model, right? And that's probably really the easiest way to get up to $10,000 every single month. Let's be honest. If you had a business that made you $10,000 every single month, reoccurring, where you basically, once everything is set up, and that's another beautiful thing about a video marketing agency, once everything is set up, you basically don't really have to do anything anymore because there's a clear way, a straight line system basically that teaches you exactly how to rank their YouTube videos. And it's the same for each and every client. It's not like social media marketing or something where you have each and every client, even though they're in the same niche and stuff, have different kind of expectations and different content, and you have to create different graphics and different videos for them for each and every client, and it's a bunch of work, right? And with the video marketing agency, you can even outsource stuff to like VAs and stuff, like I do it in my company or something. I'm not really doing any operational stuff anymore. I got people who do this for me, right? So that's basically the beauty of the whole video marketing agency thing. And it's really a better business than all of this other stuff like drop shipping and affiliate marketing and stuff like this. Because think about it, like let's say you do affiliate marketing, right? Let's say you make, you manage, or let's take drop shipping, right? You manage to get $1,000, or you go to like 5,000, or even you make $10,000 in sales within 1 month, which is very rare for a newbie, for a beginner, right? Normally people don't do that, right? And if you do so, chances are really high that you probably spend $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 if everything is good actually, and that's a good result. Like if you spend that amount of money and even made a profit. Most people don't do that. With an agency, with a service-based business, and by the way, that's how I got started in the online marketing world before I did the whole software stuff, before I did all of the other stuff that I am doing right now. I ran a service-based business, and the good thing about it is monthly recurring revenue. Of course, you're gonna have some costs along the way. Let's say you get a client for $1,000. There might be some software, some tools that you will be using that are like $50 or $60 per month, but that's great. The profit margins are insane, and it's easy to calculate because with all the other stuff, you never really know. Like you never know, like for example, if you do dropshipping or affiliate marketing, it can work, but it also might not work. And maybe the stuff that works now doesn't work next month, right? So now you're spending $1,000 in ads, you make maybe $5,000, and next month you try the same method, it doesn't really work anymore, and you're not breaking even anymore. With like, if you have an agency, a service-based business, you will always have the same thing. You search for potential clients, you contact them one by one, or you hire someone to do that for you. You close them down. You always have an average kind of conversion rate of how many people. Like, let's say you contact 10, you make 5 sales. It's a 50% conversion rate. That will always kind of be the same because it's the same model, right? And you have a good thing to sell, the value is clear, and people are ready to pay high amounts of money to you every single month. And it's also better in terms of business relationships and for your own mind, and it's less stressful because when you deal with people who are just like B2C, like business to consumer and stuff, you deal with like normal consumers and stuff, and that can be a pain in the ass because these people, they're not business people, they don't understand how business works and stuff. If you're dealing with actual businesses, they're way easier, and it's more fun to work with them because you can work on something, you can work with them, and you can accomplish goals together. You can increase their revenue, and it's a win-win situation, right? And it's just an awesome way to do things, right? So this is basically the best way to make money, to make 10K a month in 2018 if you are for real, and if you want to have an actual system in place that guarantees you that money. Because with all the other stuff, things are, it's kind of, I'm not saying the other stuff doesn't work, it's just like the other stuff is kind of dependent on luck also. Really, it's just, you have to be lucky to make a bunch of money with drop shipping or with all the other stuff, because you can't just go out there and hammer on people's doors, not literally, but online, I mean, and close them on a sale. Like this other stuff that I'm talking about with creating your own agency and stuff, that's basically, that's actually a system where it's just a numbers game, right? You will make sales. It just depends on how good you are and stuff like this. I will teach you all of the stuff though. I have templates and scripts and everything. It's just a matter of how good you are with selling. And once you got the few clients, because for most people, 10K a month, not for me, but for most people, it's a lot of money, and it's enough if you have good profits. Like if you have an agency, you make 10K a month, like you have a lot of profits, right? It's a good way to make a living. It's enough for most people, and you can do it on the side. That's pretty easy to do. You don't even have to do this like full time and stuff, even though it's recommended. I always recommend to actually, because I'm one of these guys who really goes hard when it comes to business and stuff, and I always recommend to people that they make this their full-time passion, their full-time income, their full-time job and stuff, because it's just a better way to live, in my opinion, right? If you have another job and you have an agency on the side, it can be kind of stressful and stuff. So I always recommend to start an agency or whatever, service-based business on the side, and once you make enough money, you can quit your actual job and then transfer everything to like the new stuff that you're doing, right? So yeah, basically that's it right here for this video right now. I hope you liked it. I hope I could convince you to actually start your own service-based business in 2018, because I don't know, I couldn't think, because if you want to help people the way I do it, like I think you shouldn't sell people stuff that probably won't work. Because here's the thing, like you guys can tell me, what do you think about a product or a course or a program or whatever that helps, that you sell to 100 people and that helps one person and 99 people fail or don't make money or don't have any success with it? That's because that's what most other guys, these programs that they're selling and stuff, that's what they're doing. They will show you success results of people who most likely already made money before and stuff, but then got their program and stuff, make some more money, and then they make reviews for these people and stuff like this, and then you think everyone who takes this course or program is successful or something, right? Which is not the case. Most of these guys, most of these programs and stuff, they make one person a little bit richer, and 99% of the people who buy the programs don't make any money at all. This is different from what we do, really, because when it comes to service-based businesses, and nobody right now is teaching the stuff that I teach, guys, I promise you that no one out there does it. If you do something like this, the chances of you succeeding are, of course, not 100%, but they're way higher than with all the other BS out there, guys. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope I could give you some nice insights. I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below to take part in the competition thing where you can win this actual video marketing agency program. If you want to check out a free video where I go about everything on how to do things, how to start your own business and stuff, that's like 40 minutes long and 100% free, then just click the link in the description. I put a link there always to one of my free videos and stuff. You can check it out. So again, be sure to like and subscribe, and see you soon.